The CX-90's primary target market is North America, where bigger is best, and so the CX-90 will be a big 3-row replacement for the CX-9, possibly even growing a little larger. Outside, the CX-90 will wear an evolved version of the brand's Kodo design language, likely similar to that of the CX-60, though don't expect them to look the S. As it'll be built on the same large product group platform as the CX-60, the CX-90 will likely run with the same set of engines, though perhaps with new outputs, as its smaller sibling, a 3.3-liter turbocharged inline 6 running on either petrol or diesel, or a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine assisted by a plug-in hybrid drivetrain.